It's just started to rain. And the little doggy wanted to yap yap at me. This is quite a good shop here. I like to buy a lot of things. It's a hardware, local hardware shop. Selling bananas as well. Very light sprinkles. I prefer this to the heat. I'm not getting as much exercise here as I do in Pattaya because after you've walked everything 2 or 3 times, there's nothing new to look. I might go down to the river tomorrow. Might see where the poi wants to come down to the river. Or Nai. That's a good idea. Notice I'm walking towards the traffic and most of the cars actually do move aside. It's good to see. As there's no footpath here, not that I'm particularly worried. And the rain's picking up, but I'll get home. It's a good thing I came now actually. I've bought my recycle bag from Australia. How's that? Cheers, great. I love that. You watch people on motorcycles and it's raining. See, that's a typical, what they call a shop house, where that's why they like to build on the main roads. At the front you have your shop, at the back you have your living quarters. It's a good idea actually. I've always thought that an antiques, collectibles type of, with furniture, second-hand shop would do well in these locations because I have nothing.